Is your hair dull, brittle, and looks dry? Then keep on watching.
You're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe and leave your like so you won't miss any of my future videos. So the most intense and fast way to give nutrition to our hair is through the use of natural oils. Don't forget that when using oils on your hair, they have to be vegetable, 100% virgin and organic if possible. Otherwise they might have the opposite effect, because these oils are the most compatible with our hair. So if your hair is dull, brittle and looks dry, then it's lack of nutrition. So I usually do this treatment once a month, but if your hair is extremely damaged, you can do twice a month until you get the result that you want. I like this bottle for having this pipette. It just makes it easier. But if you don't have one of those, you can use a small container or bowl and use your fingers to apply it. So the first oil I use is 2 tablespoons of extra virgin oil, or you can use coconut oil if you prefer a lighter base of oils. Olive oil hydrates, nourishes the hair, reducing breakage. It also helps with retaining water on the hair, and it helps with hair growth and split ends. 1/4 of a teaspoon of argan oil. Argan oil deeply hydrates the hair, helps with hair growth and breakages. 1/4 of a teaspoon of almond oil. Almond oil is amazing for the skin and hair, making it more soft, hydrating the hair, and it's also excellent for split ends. 1/4 of a teaspoon of coconut oil or virgin oil if you use coconut oil as the base of the treatment. Coconut oil is a very light oil that helps reducing frizz and split ends, making the strands of your hair stronger, hydrates the hair deeply, etc. Coconut oil has so many benefits and it can be used for any type of hair. And 1/4 of a teaspoon of castor oil. Castor oil is known as a growth oil, hydrates the hair, and it even helps getting rid of excessive oil and dandruff. All these oils combined together make an amazing treatment to nourish the hair. So how should you apply it? Simply rub a small amount into the hair, starting at the roots and massage to the ends. Leave it on for around 1.5 to 2 hours and then shampoo it out. For damaged hair or very dry hair, you can leave it on overnight before washing it out in the morning. This is the method that I use and I found it works best for my hair. So the safest ways to use your hair when sleeping is by putting it up in a bun or do a braid, leaving it quite loose to make it more comfortable to sleep on. So this is the result after I washed my hair the next day. I hope this remedy works for you just the same as it does for me. So don't forget to subscribe if you aren't yet, and leave your like and let me know if you have tried it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!
You should have seen the